Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to my channel Preschool Education Hub. So let us see what are we going to learn today. Today kids will learn about the pattern lines. They will learn standing lines, activity sheets for the standing lines, sleeping lines and again activity sheets for the sleeping lines. For these activity sheets the parents can draw same on the white sheet paper and they can give to the kids for the practice. Then the kids will learn right slanting line and the left slanting line. Oh, what is this? Here we have, there are flowers. So flowers, but where is the stem for the flower? So let us see who is there. So who is coming here? Honeybee, and honeybee is giving them the one line, one stem, and that is a standing line. So one more, this is a white flower and again white flower. Let us see again one more honeybee and honeybee given them one standing line. So one more flower we have. So let us see one more honeybee and again honeybee has given them one standing line. So we have learnt about the standing line. So let us see some more thing. Here we can see some stars. But where is the standing line? So we will learn about one more time standing line. Oh, let us draw the standing line. Wow. So here is our standing line. So for this star, where is the standing line? One more standing line. Wow. So what is this? This is a standing line. One more standing line. And there is one more star. So for this star, once again, standing line. So what is this? This is a standing line. One more standing line. So here, what is this? This is a standing line. So this parents can use as a worksheets. They can draw some stars and they can draw some dotted line and tell the kids to join it or just trace it with a finger or with the pencil. So kids will learn, okay, this when they trace it, so this is a standing line. So this can be used as a worksheets. So one again we have some more stars here. Now here the stars I have made it colorful because kids they love coloring or they love the colorful things. So what the parents can do, they can draw some stars with the colors and then again they can tell the to match the yellow color with the yellow color. If the child knows the green with the green and red with the red. So like this, when they will match yellow star with the yellow star, automatically it will be a standing line. And kids will understand very well, okay, like this is a standing line. So let us see, like this, they have to match yellow star with the yellow star again. So, and this is a standing line. So, once again, green star with the green star, they have to match. So, like this. So, now simultaneously, parents can tell this is a standing line. So, again, red with the red star, again, blue with the blue, dark blue with the dark blue, and once again, yellow with the yellow. So this also parents can use it as a worksheets. They can draw the colorful stars and let the kids match with the same color. Now once again one more type of worksheets parents can draw here. Here what we have done, I have done one broad standing line. So for that parents can give some crayons to the kids and they can draw this white broad line standing line and tell the kids to fill it with some color. So here is the green color then we have the blue color, and then yellow color. So the parents have to draw 3 or 4 broad standing line so the kids can color it with the different colors, and when they will color, so while coloring, parents can just tell them, okay, this is standing line. So automatically kids will learn about the standing line. So now once the kids have learned 3 to 4 times, they have practiced. After this, parents can give them this 4-line sheets or any notebook. So then tell the kids to match it with red line with the red line. So again it will be a standing line practice. So now after this is a sleeping line. So for the sleeping lines, now what do we have here? See, the cat is sleeping. So sleeping means this is a sleeping line and this is a road. So let us see what is there on the road. Oh, there is a car. Car is going on the road and road is like a sleeping line. And there is a doggy and one more doggy. So what are they doing? Let us see what they will do. They have, and it has a ball. Oh, they are playing with the ball. And ball has drawn one sleeping line. And now let us see what this dog will do. Oh, it has also given one ball. And this again the ball has come on the sleeping line. And here some cats are there. Oh, let us see who is going to meet the cat. Ah, this cat. Oh, there is doggy, and again doggy is coming to meet the cat. And when doggy is coming again, it is a sleeping line. Yay! So once again the doggy is coming to meet the catty. And once again it is a sleeping line. And there is once again the doggy is coming to meet the catty. And there we have seen this is a sleeping line. Now again, now once the kids have learned the sleeping line, after that parents can draw some flowers on both the sides and the kids can match it again to draw the sleeping line. Like this, when they match it, then it will be a sleeping line. Once again, this is a sleeping line. Once again, it's a sleeping line. Now once again, once they did they are doing enough practice, after this again parents can give this type of any notebook, red line 4-line notebook, and then kids can draw the sleeping line like this. Now we will learn about the right slanting line. Oh, there are clouds, and let us see, it's raining. So again there are clouds, and again it is raining, and it is a raining in the form of right slanting line. So what line is this? This is called the right slanting line. So let us see once again. We will trace the right slanting line like this. Parents can also give this kind, they can make it as a worksheet so the kids can trace the all the dotted line and they will learn the right slanting line like this. After this, so let us do some once again right slanting line practice on the 4-line notebook. Once the kids they do enough practice, after that only you should give them the 4 lines notebook. Now we'll learn the left slanting line. Oh, this is left slanting line because it is coming from the left side. So this is called the left slanting line. How? What is there is a house and it seems there is a wind and it is all the trees are and again it has started raining and raining has started from the left side. So this is left slanting line. Now once again now we will do the matching with the ball with the ball and honeybee with the honeybee and butterfly with the butterfly, but we'll match it with the left slanting line. So let us see how do we match. Oh, there is a bird and bird is going to match them with the left slanting line, and honeybee with the honeybee and butterfly with the butterfly with the left slanting line. So this also parents can use it as a worksheet. They can draw different objects and then tell the kids to match it. So they should be once enough when the parents can they draw, then they should just make sure then when they'll match it, so there should be left slanting line. So like this, parents can do this or enough worksheets they can prepare at home. Now I'll tell you something about my channel. This is the channel is for pre-primary classes, and every time we upload one video, one video will be particularly for the one class, and all the activities are based on the curriculum. So please subscribe my channel, like and share, and hit the like button to get and for the bell button for the notification. Thank you.